Imagine a city pulsating with the vibrant energy of startups, each street corner bubbling with the potential for the next big idea. Now, visualize not just one, but multiple cities around the globe, each offering unique amenities and opportunities that make them hotspots for entrepreneurs looking to launch and grow their businesses. This is more than a dream. It's a reality in today's interconnected world where geography is less of a barrier and more of an asset for budding business ventures. In the rapidly evolving ecosystem of startups, picking the right location can be as crucial as the business idea itself. Silicon Valley, USA, beyond the tech giant shadow. Silicon Valley remains virtually synonymous with technology and innovation. Rooted in a history of tech breakthroughs and home to giants like Apple, Google, and Facebook, it offers an unparalleled ecosystem with deep venture capital pools. For any tech startup, this Northern California valley presents a fertile ground for growth, driven by a culture that favors innovation and aggressive scaling. Despite its prestigious reputation, Silicon Valley is not without its challenges. The cost of living and operation here is sky high, potentially sidelining smaller startups or those at the ideation stage. Yet those who can afford the stakes are placed in an environment where networking opportunities with industry leaders can often lead to transformative collaborations and investments. The true value of Silicon Valley lies in its intellectual capital, high-quality talent, and the spontaneous exchange of ideas in coffee shops and tech meetups. Innovation is in the air, and for those who manage to secure a spot here, the rewards can be immense. Berlin, Germany. Affordable and unconventionally innovative. Berlin stands out in Europe as an epicenter for startups, distinguished not only by its significantly lower cost of living compared to other tech hubs, but also by its vibrant creative culture. This city attracts a diverse group of entrepreneurs and tech talent from across the globe, facilitated by progressive immigration policies and an open-minded population. One of Berlin's primary draws is its affordability, which extends to both personal and business expenses, allowing for greater financial freedom during the vulnerable, early stages of a startup. Further, the city's history and its eclectic cultural scene provide a continuous source of inspiration and leisure for hard-working entrepreneurs. However, while Berlin is burgeoning with potential, it's important to note that the local market can be less receptive to certain types of technology-driven ventures, and the English-speaking network, although strong, is not as universally pervasive as in Silicon Valley or London. Bangalore, India. The Silicon Valley of Asia. Bangalore, known as the Silicon Valley of Asia, boasts a dynamism driven by an extraordinary blend of highly skilled tech talent and significantly lower operational costs. The city is a major tech hub not just in India but across Asia, housing both burgeoning startups and established tech giants like Infosys and Wipro. What sets Bangalore apart is not just the cost advantage, but its rapidly expanding infrastructure and government initiatives aimed at boosting the startup ecosystem. However, challenges such as bureaucratic red tape and traffic congestion are part of the package, potentially slowing down operational efficiency. Despite these hurdles, Bangalore's community is its strongest asset. The city's numerous incubators, tech summits, and networking events create an environment ripe for innovation and success, where entrepreneurs can leverage the collective expertise and resources of a connected community. Tel Aviv, Israel, where innovation meets heritage. Tel Aviv, with its unique juxtaposition of ancient history and cutting-edge technology, is an emerging powerhouse in the startup world. Known for its high concentration of startups, Tel Aviv offers an environment teeming with innovation, supported by government-backed initiatives and the presence of high-tech companies. The city also offers a high quality of life, with its vibrant nightlife, beaches, and cultural offerings, which help in attracting international talent. Nonetheless, the cost of living in Tel Aviv can be prohibitive, and the geopolitical situation can sometimes pose additional challenges to the business climate. Despite these factors, Tel Aviv's tight-knit entrepreneurial community and the aggressive pursuit of innovation fuel a dynamic ecosystem where startups can thrive amidst challenges and opportunities alike. London, UK. A melting pot of talent and ideas. London remains a global financial hub with a burgeoning tech scene characterized by a diverse talent pool and extensive funding opportunities. The city's strategic location allows easy access to both European and global markets, supported by its world-leading financial services. What differentiates London from other cities is its unmatched multiculturalism, which not only enriches the city, but also propels an inclusive and innovative business environment. Challenges such as Brexit-induced uncertainties and the high cost of living persist. Yet London's enduring appeal continues to attract entrepreneurs willing to navigate its complex yet rewarding landscape. Each of these cities offers distinct advantages and poses unique challenges, making them fascinating case studies in the global entrepreneurial landscape. Selecting the right base for your startup is a critical step that can define the path to success.